You have heard the names Rockefeller and Rothschild one too many times. You are that fun freaking kid with a party hat on in that meme in the corner because you know too much and nobody can understand what the fuck you are saying. You are that guy who knows salmon Nutella is a freaking hoax. You have dived deep to way too many rabbit holes. You cannot even function in a civilized, high standard of living society anymore. You have seen the Tower 7 fall way too many times in a free fall speed. You have had your ball sack out in the sunlight every single day, since you know that's the way to go as a human being. And now, your dopamine, your testosterone, they are through the freaking roof, but you don't know what to do with it, because the modern matrix success. You want to go back. You want a little bit Coca-Cola. You want a little bit of that Big Mac again. You just want to go out with your friends, or a friend, and have a little freaking have a little weed, have a little video games, have a little alcohol, have a little good time. You're tired of knowing too much. You have spent way too much in the nature, and now everything seems fake and not real. Except the nature. You just wanna go cruise along on the Santa Monica Boulevard. Listen to Red Hot Chili Peppers. And that's enough. Fake it, space. Space is fake. That's the final frontier. That's the extent you want your knowledge. What they say on their freaking good songs. What they say, you want to go back and Netflix and chill again. You cannot even talk to the opposite sex anymore. Because they're just NPCs. They are non-playable characters. They just give you NPC answers to everything. And you are so tired of that. You cannot connect with that, but you wanna. You wanna connect with that. The NPC life seems so much fun to you. So carefree. Hashtag YOLO. Ignorance is bliss, go with the flow. Just 1111. Manifest that shit. And you don't want to manifest like John D. Rockefeller. You don't want to manifest like the Rothschilds did. No, I don't want to know anything about those guys. They can be my masters if I can have my Starbucks, if I can have my morning cup of Joe with a freaking sitcoms back. I want to watch Friends again. I want to watch Friends the 97th time. I love Joey. And Rachel and Ross is the cutest freaking couple ever. I wish I will have that someday. And then I can watch Office again. The America one. Okay, here's how you do it. Nobody goes back. That's the problem. That's a good thing actually. Nobody goes back when you have base knowledge. It's impossible. Except if you take your ass to the MK Ultra offices when they have their goods and just tell them, give me that man in the black. Give me that one. I want to go back to the society. I want to be civilized again. I'm tired of this nature bullshit and all these freaking rabbit holes. And they can do that. But if you don't have that option, here's how you do it. Get your ass back inside immediately. No more sunlight for you. That's the devil. That's the adversary. That's the Satan, bro. That's where the fallen angels come from. Never in the sunlight. And if you in the sunlight, sunscreen. Check. Sunglasses. Check. Hat on. Check. Clothes that block the sunlight and cover as much skin as possible. Check. Now you can go outside. Bring an umbrella if it's sunny. Next up, inside all day. Connect back with the virtual reality. Get a VR headset. Get all the new video games that are exactly the same year after year. But you don't care, it's good entertainment. Entertain yourself. Real good. Netflix, HBO, Disney Plus, get them all. Spotify, but don't watch too many podcasts. Be on the computer, be on the VR headset, all day, every day. Corn Max to the moon. Because the moon ain't fake anymore. It's real, and it's made of cheese. Eat restaurant food all day, every day. The cheap stuff, who cares? Fast food, the best food. Tap water tastes amazing. Processed food, I like donuts, pizza, lasagna. All that shit. Never eat trout eyes. No trout eyes for you. Also no trout. This shit, burn it to the dead if you wanna survive. If you want this life back. If you wanna blue bill yourself. What else? Yeah, corn to the moon. Get NPC friend group. Should be easy. You can have drugs also. Alcohol is fine. Weed is exceptional for you. Go to the festivals. Music festivals. Perfect, bro. 3-day ones. Perfect. All the ones, EDM ones are the best probably. But music festivals during nighttime, perfect. Wake up when you fucking want to wake up. Go to sleep when you wanna go to sleep. You are the most productive, most creative 2 a.m. So, listen to your freaking senses, bitch. Inside is your life now. What else? Sodas, of course. You want that Coca-Cola back in your life? Or you like Pepsi? Whichever one. Who gives a fuck? Mountain Dew? Whatever, Dr. Pepper? Get it all. You deserve it, boss. What else? Remember to vote. That's important. That's how I would do it. That would be actually a really good experiment if somebody who's actually nature built would do that. I'm not willing to do that. My ball sack is too freaking black now. My little wheelie is too black. It has changed the genders. No, not the genders. It has changed the race during this summer, not the genders. But you can do that if you wanna go back. And you might do because your hypothalamus might fuck up, but that's exactly what you want to do. You want to freaking short circuit your brain quickly to get back in line, back to the civilized world. And then you can probably figure out some freaking good scam also. Who knows? You need a freaking smooth brain to do that. Maybe not a good scam, but a bad scam. Anyway, enjoy that. Remember, never go outside. This place is your worst freaking enemy. Don't do it. Trust me, bro.